Thank you for visiting my channel again. Today I'll be reviewing and unboxing an all-in-one computer from Ikon Electronics and Home Appliances. Let's check the hardware component for the Ikon computer. It has a 19-inch 1440 by 900 display, an Intel Core i3 processor from the 10th generation, 4 GB of RAM, a 128 GB SSD, Windows 10 Home pre-installed, a wired keyboard, mouse, mousepad, and other ports required for normal computer use. Let's do the unboxing. Looks incredibly slim, compact, and powerful. Let's fix the stand so that we can turn on the all-in-one computer. However, it is not a touchscreen system. I plug in the power cable along with keyboard and mouse. Let's turn on the computer. No doubt about it, is fast in loading. My Ikon all-in-one computer cost me $266 and roughly 900 Saudi riyal when I bought it from LULU Hypermarket. We've been using it for over 4 months, and in my opinion, it's the ideal option for kids and home offices. There is a more advanced model available with a touch screen. The greatest deal is on an Ikon All in One Desktop IKWAP193 with an Intel Core i3, a 19-inch HD display, 4GB of RAM, a 128GB SSD, and Intel shared graphics in black. Quiet, powerful, and portable. This device is amazing. The computer is compact, strong, silent, and cool to operate. The ideal computer if you want a powerful machine that doesn't take up a lot of room. Additionally, customer service is excellent. Thank you for watching the Ikon All-in-One PC review and unboxing. Please get back to my Smarty Peeps YouTube channel to watch further upcoming videos.